In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the paper glide cleaning of your Epson printer. And this is the Epson XP7100 printer. You can use it for any Epson printer that is having the paper glide cleaning option. Now the first step is to go to the printer control panel. Here we have to go to the maintenance. Scroll down until you see the option. Scroll down, select paper guide cleaning. Click on the start. Once you see the message, place one sheet of paper in the rear paper feed slot. At the back side, you open this section. So just here, place a sheet, that is the letter size. Go to the main display panel and click on the installed. A message will come on the screen, cleaning is complete. If still you have the problem, then you can click on the cannot solve problem. So there are two options on the screen, that is perform the cleaning again or clean the paper path roller, and we can just close it here. Click on the finish. So we have done the paper guide cleaning. Thanks for watching.